The Cable Connection designs and manufactures Ultra-tec cable railing hardware in Carson City, Nevada. The innovative Ultra-tec line of stainless steel cable railing systems are used as an infill of railing in commercial and residential applications, including deck railing, stair railing, other hand railing, and barriers. Ultra-tec is the optimal solution for the architect, the specifier and designer, the metal fabricator, the contractor, and the DIY homeowner. We have an extensive background in custom wire rope assemblies, coupled with ISO 9001-2008 certification, assuring our ability to hold tight tolerances and deliver consistent, repetitive quality when you choose Ultra-tec. The manufacturing process begins here in our machine shop. We bring only the highest quality cable railing hardware machined from Type 316 stainless steel. Type 316 is marine grade stainless steel, the most rust and corrosion resistant grade available. Our manufacturing facilities here at the Cable Connection include state-of-the-art computerized lathes and mills and assembly operations in a modern, up-to-date company-owned facility built in 2014. The machining process takes raw material and produces a finished product. Our knowledgeable staff programs the machinery and monitors production throughout the entire process. The finished product is checked for dimensional accuracy and functionality. This is our swedger. We offer pre-swedged cables to aid in your installation process. We also offer equipment rentals if you would like to use a swedger on site. Or choose our swedgeless solutions that utilize our push lock and pull lock hardware and require no special tools for installation. We do extensive reliability testing of our fittings on site, and our in-house engineers continually strive to improve our products. We have knowledgeable staff available by phone or email to answer any questions you may have. Ultra-tec cable railing infill is the professional solution for professionals.